Ed Thompson. Welcome to the Evidentia tutorial series. In previous cousin tracker tutorials, I demonstrated how you can create a possibility tree for the cousin tracker and showed you the tools available to you on the main cousin tracker screen. In this tutorial, I want to show you the reports Evidentia has available that can help you in your cousin-related research. The Cousin Summary Report shows you the current status of all your cousin research. It lists the title of each cousin log, a subtitle to show the two direct lines you are working on for the proof, and the status of each individual proof required to prove a direct line. Since this is a utility report, citations are not included. Evidentia also provides a cousin proof summary report. This report is for a single cousin tracker log. The report separates the status of each direct line, and within each direct line it shows the status of each individual parent-child proof. If a parent-child proof has a conclusion, that conclusion is also included in this report. Because Evidentia is using your proof as evidence in this cousin proof, each proof is properly cited in the endnotes, with no effort required on your part to create the citation. Well, almost no effort. Make sure you have a preparer defined on the report screen. Evidentia also provides a cousin proof detail report. The cousin proof detail report includes everything the summary report does. At the end of the detail report, Evidentia appends a copy of each parent-child proof that was used as evidence in the cousin proof. I hope this tutorial series is helpful in understanding what the Evidentia Cousin Tracker can do for you, and that the Cousin Tracker will be a valuable addition to your genealogy toolbox.